You're gonna get it.
You guys look gorgeous. Wow. Hi, Uncle Ray.
Hey,
Oh my God.
what's going on?
Hi, Auntie Mayro. You guys look fab. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, Justin. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. How are you? Good. How are you? Hi, June. Nah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi. Hi. You guys look gorgeous, by the way. Ooh, marinade. Uncle Al.
Hey, good morning.
I wanna go say bye. Excuse me. The blanket looks good. You look good. You look good too. What you been doing? Really? Wednesday? Okay, you'll be here. Just you.
Ja, ahí na mo mantua sa to mo na ron kain na mo that was 4 minutes. We were about 2-3 minutes before 10.
Hi, Uncle. Hi, Auntie. I love you.